Hey friends, it's Lynn here at 1A Auto. Today I'm going to be working on our 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. I want to show you something fairly basic, removing and reinstalling the rear view mirror. To do that, I'm going to use a Phillips head screw or a screwdriver. I just have an electronic one, but you can use a handheld one, that's fine. Take that out of there. Here's our little screw. It's pretty much just a set screw really. Grab this, lift it straight up. There it is. Easy peasy. So now to reinstall, you just take it, slide it down into the little beveled area. Okay? We'll take our little screw. Make sure it's snug. Your mirror can't come off. That's it. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.